Yes guys, welcome back to Animal Company Part 2. I've got 7,182 bell coins and I'm going to grab my trusty stick and then show you how I got this. Okay, let me use my trusty stick with me. I'm going to go beat some people up here. So the plan is to do find one thing item, I just don't really care which. But I hope I am. I really want it to be like something good, like they got me flipping. That's my back. No. Nothing in it, guys. So as you see, there's nothing in it. I'm kind of scared, guys. It's a bit scary for me. I don't want to enter it, guys, but I'm gonna do it just for you. Just watch out for these mines. Yeah, as soon as I said that, I died. That's fair enough, innit? Yeah, well. I'm off to a good start, I think. So, anyway, let's go get my bag back. And my trusty stick. Yes, guys, I did learn how to get cosmetics as well. I use promo codes. Yeah. I mean, I think there's items down there. My bag even here. No, trusty stickers. Grab that. Oh, there's my bag. Bruh! This video is going to be a bit hard, I think. My trusty stick and my flipping baton's gonna get. Right, okay. Let's try this time. Let's do this time. We're gonna do it this time, guys. I don't like it, bro. It goes all dark. I wish it could stay in the same weather. I'm just gonna just grab 3 stuff and then I'm leaving. Because I don't want to face anything stupid. I'll use my baton and sticker a bit. I like everything I see with this. If I'm lucky, there's actually stuff here. 4 stuff. I'll go with it. Please tell my bag's open yet. Grabbing everything. Right, I'm gonna leave now. Right, okay. Right, so guys, I'm just now, I've got the items, I'm gonna go get some metal rocks with it. I'm actually out now. Yeah, I ain't going in that, mate. I've been going in there, bro. That's fast. Yeah, I'm not even in the safe zone, bro. Okay, right, now I'm back. I feel safer. I can go now. Let's go in here. Yeah, let's just go in there. Open my bag. Quick get out. And yeah. I forgot what button it is. I've got 103 of it. and all my stuff's now gone, so now I got plus 103. So I guess that was actually good. I guess that was good. Yeah, I think that was a success actually. And guys, I'm also going to give you guys a free code, free 2 codes actually. How to get that jacket and the elf outfit. Right, so press prog. Promo code. The first code is happy holidays. Happy space days. And then if we enter it, I've already redeemed that code. So and then you'll get the elf. Then I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so if you go in here, clothing I think it is. Here's the elf top. That's what you guys will look like. This is showing cap for some reason. And then let me wait, what? Find that ball. I've already got it. I think I equipped something that I meant to. Let me see. Bro, how? I didn't equip anything else, did I? Did I equip anything? I don't wonder. I think I did an accident, I don't know. Eyes. Gorilla, get. Damn. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna be a gorilla. There you go. So as you say, spawn. And look, yeah, now you're gonna be like an elf gorilla. But I don't want to be this. I'm gonna want my fit back. I want my clothing. Well, I also got the black one. I'll show you how to get the black one instead, guys. Oh my yeah! Yeah, I'll show you how to get the black one. Because the black one's actually pretty cool. Can't lie, guys. That one, this one's quite cool, but I like this one. This one's my favourite. And just put back in that. Let's go show you the other code. Oh yeah. I think it's that one. Or that one. Well, this is the one that it will redeem. So this one's Rizzy Drip 200k. I've already redeemed the code. Right, so that means I'll show you the outfit that is because I just remembered. Yeah, guys, I'll also add another code in as well. I think you get the. I think you get one as well. So I think this one, the black one. I just remembered is the black one. That's what it'll look like. Want to confirm it? This is what it would look like. And the black one. And I'll show you one more. Oh, no, I just got my character back up. Yep, now I'm just going to go show you the other code. And I think this one gives you the red one, the red jacket. I think it gives you the jacket I'm wearing right now. This one. But you don't get any skins of this, so. This one is called Play with Devs. No spaces. Failed, but play with devs. Yeah, I think that's one. So, anyway. I've had so much fun playing this. I made game of Gorilla Tag. So, Please like and subscribe, please, guys. Anyway, subscribe and like for part 3. Bye, guys.